In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Praying Mantis in Grow A Garden in Roblox. So this was now a part of the new pets update, in case you've missed it, and to actually get the Praying Mantis, here's what you have to do. There's currently two ways of getting it, let me show you both. So the first one, and the free one, is to actually head up over here, let me just show you where it is, there we go, to the pet shop where you can actually buy eggs, and in here you have a percentage of chance to get a bug egg. So if I talk to the salesman Raphael over here and I click show me pets, there we go, pet eggs, it will show that there's a chance of you getting the bug egg. However, you only have a 3% chance, so it will only appear in 3% of shops, which means the chance is of course quite low, because of course this shop resets every half an hour, which means you're gonna have to be playing for quite a bit, or just keep on logging on every single time these refreshes. However, there's also one different way to get it, which is of course using Robux, like any other thing, and you can go to the shop over here on the left, and you can get it in the exotic bug egg. So as you can see, there's a 4% chance to actually get it inside this exotic bug egg, and as far as I'm concerned, these exotic bug eggs are exactly the same as these bug eggs over here in this shop from Raphael on here. However, the difference is that these take a few hours to hatch. I'm not sure how long. You can let me know in the comments down below if you do know. Legendary egg takes 4 hours. I know because I have one over here in my garden, as you can see, and yeah, this and these in the shop are instant as far as I'm concerned, so they will basically hatch instantly. So that's pretty much it. That's what I wanted to tell you, how to get the Praying Mantis. And in case you were wondering what the Praying Mantis does, well, basically every X seconds, so every like a minute or so, it will pray for like 10 seconds, which will grant 1.5x variant chance within a radius, which means basically when it prays, all the plants in the nearby facility will have a chance to essentially get variants, which are rainbows, goldens, etc. Okay, so that is what it does. It's actually pretty cool. It can go hand in hand very well with, for example, your sprinklers and stuff like that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.